starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Total for that order ended up being $7. Finally got the next order. This is an IHOP going 4 miles. Yeah, for Zeman?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $8. Next up, we've got a Donut Nook. This one is going 5.5 miles.
No, I haven't met him yet.
Yes. Thank you. Do you know if all the pieces are on these things?
I have no idea.
No idea. Total for that order was $10. Oh, wow. That was a lot higher than I was expecting. Thank you very much. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $8 and change. Just got the next order. This one is for Victoria's Cafe going 7 miles. I think it's only one item too, so yeah, this one's probably not gonna be a good one.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. No tip. Oh. Total for that one was $8 and change. That's crazy. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going 5 miles, but it's actually giving me $2 extra because I'm leaving my zone. I think the McDonald's is like right on the edge of the zone, so this one is not that bad, to be honest. Unless it's a no tip as well, then maybe.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Benjamin, there you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day. And now we drive back into the zone because I have no signal out here. Okay, finally got signal, and total for that one was $15. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was way better than the last one. Excuse me.
Oh, you know what?
If you guys had bubble wrap, do you know where that would be?
It's down in.
They moved it over into hardware.
Is it hardware?
Yeah, they moved it over to hardware. It's right next to the tools, but like two aisles over from tools.
Okay. Oh, that is scary. Ew, it feels all squishy. Got a couple errands to run, and this video is not going to be very long, so I might just smack it in the front of another one. This is way too big for what I need it for, unfortunately. I might just pick it up anyways. Anyways, that's going to be it for this section of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Yo, it's the next one. We are on Earn by Time right now. Current rate is $17 an hour, and the first order is going to be a Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Only one drink. Oh boy. Please call me if you can't find my house. Oh boy. Total for that order was $5 and change. Not very good. Just got the next order. This one's a Jack in the Box going just under 3 miles. Me too. Total for that order was $6 and change. It's been like 15 minutes, but finally got an order. This is Muchas Gracias going 8.5 miles. I'm pretty sure this person ordered from the wrong restaurant, or the one closer to them is just not open yet, because the drop-off is pretty close to another one. Total for that one was $13, not bad. And we got the next order right away. This one's Panera going about 5 miles.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Yep, you have a good day. Total for that one was $10. Wow, okay. Very good order. And next up is a stacked Starbucks going less than 3 miles. Morning. Thank you. Total for that stack was $10. Next up, we've got another stacked Starbucks. This one's $11 going 4 miles. Thank you. You're both mine.
Perfect.
Thank you. Brother, why is this one a meet at door? I always get nervous with things like this because, like, they're the second order in the stack and they only had one drink, so hopefully they don't yell at me for taking too long. Next up, we've got another stack. This one is for Subway though. This one is 6 miles.
Here's Haley.
Thank you. Gotcha. Didn't mean to scare you, little buddy. What does this say? In all caps, please do not ring the doorbell. And make sure I have all the correct food and sauces. First of all, why are you yelling at me already? Second of all, I'm definitely not gonna rip open those 20 staples they used. And they just messaged me, are you on your way? Question mark, question mark. Okay, dude. Total for those two was just under $15. Okay, I'm gonna call it here. I've got things to do. I don't think I mentioned the total for last segment, so I'm just gonna add it all together. Current total, we are at 122, and we are waiting on 2 tips from the Starbucks from earlier, which should bring it up to 131. A little bit of a different video this time around. Let me know if you guys prefer one or the other. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.